Hello friends, welcome to my channel Radhu's Food Court and Vlogs. In this video, we are touring a beautiful townhouse in Sydney. Come, let's explore together. This is a 4-bedroom townhouse from Butler. So all the 4 bedrooms are in the first floor, and in the ground floor we have a living room, kitchen, garage and a laundry room. The main door is having a number lock access, and we do have a doorbell, a door access bell, where we can see the person who is waiting outside from inside, and we can give the access. We have kept a small puja room near the entrance. This is a sofa cum bed where if needed somebody wants to sleep in the ground floor. As I said, there is no separate room in the ground floor, so this will be very helpful for us if needed. This is our laundry room. We can place our washing machine, dryer, etc. And we have a toilet also inside this. This is our beautiful kitchen, which is having a dishwasher, oven, so that is provided by the builder, and a beautiful view from inside. Let me take you to our backyard. It's a beautiful space which is already having few plants. I need to buy few more and make it more beautiful. The builder has also provided a provision for drying clothes, so that we don't need any dryer or anything, and we are getting abundant sunlight also here, and a beautiful view also. This is a small gate where we can go outside. We can take the waste and all. We can take it outside and throw it. So yeah, that is our backyard. Come, let's explore the other things as well. We are seeing our garage space. This is our one of our car parking. We do have two car parking. Inside this we can see a small storage space where we can keep our things. The garage is operated by remote control system. So we can enter the living room through this or main door. There are two ways to enter the living room. So I am going to show you our first floor. So the lighting which you are seeing, that round one is coming direct sunlight. We have an air conditioning system inside this house, and we can control top floor and ground floor separately. So this is the controller. This is a common bathroom which we have in the first floor. First floor we have two bathrooms. This is one of those. Just having a shower unit, a toilet. So this is our master bedroom which is having a toilet, I said earlier. All the four rooms are provided with cupboards for storing your clothes, with a mirror. This is a view from the master bedroom. This is another room which we are using as a study room or work room, whatever you call. So this is a third room which we are planning to make it as a guest room. Now it is a playroom for our son. storage room where we can keep our things. It's not inside room, it is outside common area. This is our fourth room. This room is also blessed with a very beautiful view and sunlight. Yeah, all the four rooms, I should say, everything is having very good lighting. So this is our quick home tour. We need to purchase some more furnitures and arrange things. We have not done any modifications or anything inside this, and I'll take you a new tour once everything is set up. Till then, enjoy your life. Take care. Bye bye.